C1 Ultra Mobile Operation Tutorial. Plug the power cord into the machine. And insert the other end into the power interface on the back. Insert the other end into the power socket. Turn on the machine. Install software on iOS devices. Turn to page 24 of the manual. Swipe down on the phone screen. Click Scan. Apple phone scans the QR code downloaded by Apple software. Click Download. Click Open. Click WLAN and Mobile. Click Connect. Connect the phone to the machine. Click Search IP address. Enter the Internet Protocol address on the manual, 192.168.0.1. Then turn on the Wi-Fi. Find the C1 Ultra. Enter password 12,345,678. After the connection is successful, return to the CutLabs software. Then click Connect. Then the connection is successful. Return. Click Start Creation. The software installation and connection are done. Android phone software installation. Turn to page 24 of the manual. Swipe down your phone. Click Scan. If there is no scan here, you can open the scanner on the browser. To scan the QR code, click Scan. Scan the QR code for Android software download on Android phone. Click OK. Click Download. Check it. Click Install. Click OK. Return to the desktop. Open the software. Click Allow only when using the app. Click Confirm. Return. Return again. Click Connect. Connect the phone to the machine. Click to search for IP address. Enter the IP address on the manual, 192.168.0.1. Return. Swipe down your phone, then turn on Wi-Fi. Find the C1 Ultra. Enter password 12,345,678. Then click Connect. After successful connection, return to the CutLabs app. Click Connect. Click Connect again. Then the connection is successful. Return. Click Start Creation. The software installation and connection are done. Focus. Place the carving on the machine's carving platform. These two buttons on the top of the machine are focus buttons. Press one of them to make 2 points into one, which means focusing is successful. If the height of the carving object is different, you need to refocus again. Text engraving. Click Word. Enter the engraving content. Click Confirm. The dots around the text. Press and hold one of these for corners. Is scaled text. This dot is the rotation command. Click Parameters. This command is to change the line and fill mode of text. Speed. The higher the speed, the faster the laser moves. The carving will be shallower. The lower the speed, the slower the laser moves. The deeper the carving will be. Speed 2500. Power. The higher the light, the greater the power. The deeper the carving, the lower the output power, the smaller it is. The shallower the carving. Power 100. Frequency. 1 is to engrave it again. 2 is to engrave twice. The more times you carve, the deeper the carving will be. The material reference table for engraving. You can contact the platform customer service or the after-sales technician Click on the software blank area. You can put away the parameter panel. Click to preview. Click preview again after the location is confirmed. Machine and stopped previewing. Close the protective cover after the engraving position and parameters are determined. Click to engrave. Click return. Next, text fill carving. Click parameters. Click line. Click filling. Click the blank area of the software. Collapse the parameter panel. Hold and drag the text to adjust the carving position. Click to preview. Click preview again after confirming the engraving position. Click parameters. Power 50. Speed 5000. Once frequency. After the carving position and parameters are determined. Click to engrave. Picture engraving. Click Gallery. Select the picture you need to engrave. Click Confirm. Press this point with your finger, or the other 3 corner points to move. To zoom in or out, hold the dot to move for rotation. Press and hold the picture to move. You can change the position of the image. Then click Parameters. You can also change the position and size of the image here. Adjust the engraving position. Click Preview. Manually adjust the carving position. After the carving position and size are determined, close the protective cover. Click Parameters. Speed 5000. Power 90. And leave the others as default. Then click on Engrave. The material reference table for engraving. You can contact the platform customer service or after-sales technicians. Base lift, when carving objects higher than 25 millimeters. Or when using a roller engraving, you need to adjust the height of the machine base. Unplug the power. Put the machine flat. Remove for screws. Pull out the base lifting bracket. After pulling it out, align the holes of the. Align it with the hole of the machine slider. Then fix the 4 screws. Then straighten the machine. Rotary axis. The adjustment method of the width of the rotating shaft. Loosen it with a hex wrench here. Larger cups don't need to be adjusted. Here, you can adjust the width of the rotating shaft. This width is suitable for engraving lipstick tubes or other carvings of similar size to lipstick tubes. But when we carve a larger cup, we don't need to adjust it to be so narrow, just wide enough. Then tighten it again. Plug in the rotary shaft cable. The other end is plugged into the interface on the back of the machine. Place the rotating shaft on the machine's carving platform. Place the rotating shaft facing the right side of the machine. Then place the cylindrical carving on the rotating shaft. Focus. These 2 buttons on the machine are for focusing. Press one of them. Align the 2 points to the highest point of the engraving object. Text carving. Click Word. Enter the text content. Click Confirm. Click Parameters. Change the line mode to fill. Speed 5000. Power 80. Click the blank area of the software. Collapse the parameter panel. Click this dot. Rotate the text to display vertically. If the text is facing left, then the orientation of the carving on the carving will be left. Hold the text to adjust the engraving position. Swipe the toolbar below the software to the left. Click the roller to start the rotation axis. Change this to roller type. Y-axis. Check Enable Rotation. Then click Confirm. Click Preview. In this way, the rotation axis will run synchronously with the laser. After the position parameters are determined, click Engrave. Image carving. Click the gallery. Select the image you want to engrave. Hold down these four corners and drag any corner. You can cut off the excess part. Then click Confirm. Click Parameters. Adjust the text size. Speed 5000. Power 50. Click the blank area of the software. To close the parameter panel, hold the picture and drag it. To adjust the carving position, hold the dot and move it. Rotate the image to a vertical display. Then click the roller. Change this to roller type. The Y-axis. Check Enable Rotation. Then click Confirm. Click Preview. If the carving position is wrong, you can manually move the carving. After the position parameters are determined, click to engrave. For the material reference table, you can contact the platform customer service or the after-sales technician